Hello learners, you are welcome to CCMAS MAT 102, also known as calculus. We are going to look at the first lesson of this course, techniques of differentiation. My name is Moyosola Ayodele. In this course, you will learn the following about differentiation, the meaning and its denotations, derivative of a constant function, what does it mean to find the derivative of an identity function, the constant multiple rule for differentiation, and the power. Differentiation, like you know in your physics, where you are asked to calculate slope, which is also the same thing as calculating gradient in mathematics, is the measure of the changes on the y-axis all over the changes of the x-axis. It is a fundamental tool used in calculus, which measures the steepness of the graph of a given function. And it is denoted by f prime, y prime, dy dx, df dy, f prime of x, and d dx of f of x. In a clear term, there are two types of differentiation, two principles, first principle and second principle. For the sake of this class, we are going to be looking at the second principle. If y equals to ax raised to the power of n as a consideration, the derivative of y will be n multiplied by the coefficient of x. You know your n means the exponential power, and your a is the coefficient of x. So you have nax raised to the power of n minus 1, subtract 1 from the exponential power. We take a good look at an example. If y equals to 2x squared plus 1, find dy dx. So recall earlier that your y equals to ax raised to the power of n. Now let us compare that equation with this question. Your 2, which is the exponential power, comes to multiply the coefficient of a, which is also 2, and it gives you 4. Then, if you now subtract 1 from the exponential power, you have 1 left as the power. So the final answer to that is 4x plus this one doesn't have x, so it is a constant, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So you have 4x plus 0. So also, an identity element, if you differentiate x, it will give you 1. So the derivative of 2x squared plus 1 equals to 4x. I hope you have learned a lot in this lesson, and then we are going to meet in the next class. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.